I'm getting dizzy.
In person, he flew up, did a commercial.
Day before closing, the other broker said we can't.
Our hands are shaking.
It actually wasn't that hot. Keep going. Come on. I got you.
Sean is crying.
Okay. It doesn't go away.
This isn't any kind of like, I'll be back.
I thought I was going to be able to handle it. I've never felt that type of pain.
All right, so Sean had a great idea that we've all been regretting since we got in this room today about answering questions and eating hot wings. There are a lot of other podcasts that do things similar, trying to keep it real estate specific, but also have fun with all of these hot sauces. So yeah. Sean, welcome once again. I also have Kyle. You guys know him, MCT Financial as well here at the office, another great loan officer who wanted to get in on this, but I think you might be second guessing that.
Yeah, I'm definitely regretting this decision. I've seen it online, and I don't know if I want any part of this now. It sounded like a good idea, but
can we just let's clear the air. It stinks in here.
Yeah, yeah.
Like it literally stinks in here.
Yeah,
and like. I'm ready to go this way, but you're blocking my path.
So we have 6 wings that we're going to go through today. Each of us have 2 questions, real estate oriented. Take a bite of a wing, answer the question, and we're going to go from mild to ghost pepper. Start with this first one we're going to do now, which is
we're all
going
to eat it at the same time.
I want to rush.
Hot ones, sriracha, which is 18,000 Scoville units.
18,000 BTUs.
Mm-hmm. I'm always waiting. It's going to get you.
Is there sauce on here anywhere?
Mm-hmm. Hey, I'll take it because this one's going to scare me. So
I'm hungry though too. So
Kyle, my question to you is:
I'll eat lunch.
If you in your tenure, what is the most difficult client that you had to work with in terms of just general attitude or toughness in getting their loan closed?
That's a good question. I'm not going to use names, but there are times, I think of 2 specific borrowers, and they've done very similar things. The first is I need something instantly. So we've talked about this before, but they text you, and then they proceed to call you after the text message. Did you get my text? And then they proceed to email you.
Yes,
hey,
too.
I tried calling you and texting you, but it's been 5 minutes. I wasn't sure. And it's usually the same person who is going to pepper you with a lot of questions that you've already answered. And so that's frustrating. I'm thinking of one specific person, but and you may know who you are out there, but I won't name their name. But yeah,
they're probably not watching us.
No, I don't think they're friends with me anymore.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
I have to agree with you. That's the worst.
Oh, is it
it's usually within like 30 seconds of each other.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, yeah, I agree.
Yeah.
Okay.
I got to be honest, not that I don't want to change the way we're doing this here, but I was kind of thinking that was going to be very, very light. It's got some kick to it.
It does. That is the Sriracha Hot Ones, 18,000 Scoville. So,
like, it's no joke.
Yep. And we're just getting started.
Yeah.
And that's the lowest one we're going to have.
Okay.
Right.
All right. So, all right.
Now we got the
What's your up, Kyle?
Mortgage Celebrities Hot Sauce.
Our custom, freshly announced Mortgage Celebrities Hot Sauce. Scoville units unknown.
Yeah, and if you want to come to the studio and enjoy our company, you may get one of these hot sauce bottles yourself.
Oh.
There you go. All right, number 2.
I'm going to let everybody know how it is.
All right. This one's a little chunkier. It was more like a chutney.
You do the split on
I usually do the splits on my flats. Yeah.
Okay. Why is that funny? I just want to know how people are eating. Some people wiggle the bone out and then suck it.
This should have been number 1.
Yeah, I agree. Sean's exactly. I think this would have been 1. So this is a little bit, it's sweeter. There's a sweet heat.
You notice how we're eating a whole wing.
Yeah, we say that now, but.
What's your question you have? I pop off.
All right. I think this is 2-part. So I think I could ask both of you this question. So I'm going to ask Matt first.
Okay.
If you could change one rule or regulation in the mortgage industry, what would it be and why?
Yes. My number one rule that I would change or alter is the CD. I get it. The CD has to be signed and acknowledged 3 days prior to a settlement to protect the client from things that are going to happen, like increases in fees and stuff that they're not prepared for. Totally get it. I appreciate that. I can understand it. But I think in certain circumstances, there should be availability for some leniency. If they really need to close, there are certain guidelines that you possibly can get a waiver. It's called an MDIA waiver. None of the lenders will take it because there's a liability in that. I think there should be some flexibility in there where there should be in writing from them that I agree, I've seen it. I have the document, in writing to allow those clients to close. Because it's going to be stressful at the end. You got to wait those 3 days.
So you're saying don't do the 3-day waiting period, just it shouldn't be the waiting period? Or maybe we should just be able to get the final figures out at least 3 days before. If we could, that would be the ideal.
Both would be identical.
Yeah.
I mean, it'd be ideal, yes, absolutely. I just think I like the waiting period. I don't mind it. I just think there should be an easier way to waive it.
That was the same thing I was going to say, I think.
Yeah. It's a
So
good
then what about for real estate?
So I'm going to answer the mortgage part of it because I think that there's something that really has to change, and it's the way we do our appraisals, right? So appraisals, specifically, you guys may not like this or not, desktop appraisals should not be a thing.
I don't like them at all.
There should always be eyes on the property. There's third-party companies that are now, the lenders are hiring, and then they're assigning the appraisal to an appraiser out in the field, but a lot of that is getting skipped, and it's just a desktop appraisal. It's not even an appraiser that's looking at the property. They don't know what the inside of the property looks like. It shouldn't just be based on recent sales in the neighborhoods. Like, you got to physically go to the property.
Yes.
I think that's a big sticking point. Appraisers are our friends, both in the mortgage world and the real estate world. Their jobs should be respected. Their jobs should be taken seriously. And we should cut out that middleman, that appraisal management company. I think that, while it's important for us to hire a professional to do a professional job, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
Same thing, the reason why a mortgage lender should never go away and a realtor should never go away. We should always be part of the transaction.
100%.
Yeah, great answer.
2 points. All right. If anyone's out there doing any kind of federal regulation, note it. All right.
Well, they know it. They already know it.
Yeah.
They know that from me. All right, what's next? This
What
is
the next one?
All right. Next one is Hot
Hot Ones Verde. It's a Verde.
Yep, it's a Verde sauce.
Calientes.
36,000.
36,000 Scovilles on this one.
So
So it's a
just
green one.
Double.
This one's
Just a
higher.
little math. It's double the first one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right?
Yep. So let's see what this is all about on this one.
All right.
Gotta get this one here. There's a green one too. No.
Oh, wait.
Just I'm waiting. It creeps in on you.
Oh. It's good, though.
I say this one is pretty good, but this one definitely does not have a lot of heat on it. I'm not sweating besides the smell in here.
I feel like the first one was definitely the hottest so far.
All right. Well, so now we know the Verde is not as hot.
You know what just proved? ChatGPT isn't always right.
No. Yeah, that's true.
So for those of you who don't know, we looked up the Scoville units on ChatGPT before we started. And, yeah.
All right.
Oh.
That's just a tasty hot sauce.
That is.
All right, I got a question. Tell me the story about the most difficult client. The client that you would never want to work with again. And why would you never want to work with them?
I have.
You're smiling. He's smiling because
Matt and I
he's
talk all day long.
Yeah. I do have one client, and this was like 5 years ago, that there was no boundary in term of any time, anywhere at any time during the day. And it got to the point that it was literally, I remember this vividly. It was Christmas Eve, and it was Christmas dinner at my mom's house, and we we're going to go to my mother-in-law's house for dessert. And on the ride there, I had it on speakerphone, which is a no-no. And this gentleman was irate. Christmas Eve, and we're closing next week, and that he had to wait because he called me at like 5 o'clock and it's at 6:30, and I didn't get it back with him right away. But it's something that didn't need to be talked about that night. And I get it, everyone is important, but it was Christmas Eve, and we had a very intricate conversation during that time about, pretty much he told me I just need to do my job and shut up. In a roundabout way, with some other words in there that were flavorful, with having the kids in the car, Christmas Eve, literally going to Grandpa's house.
Wow.
I told him full vote going in there that he was on speaker with my kids in the back. And
So let me ask you a follow-up question. Did you bring him a closing gift?
he did not get a closing gift.
Doormat?
He closed on time. The question he needed answered was answered the next day on Christmas Day, which didn't need to be done. But this gentleman just felt the boundaries, just certain people just don't, And maybe he had a bad day.
I think eventually we're going to get to a point as a society where the boundaries are going to be back, because like we're always connected, but I think it's going to become a norm to like let people have their time. You look at Europe; they have their holiday week now, and I think it's going to become a thing. But for right now, we're kind of stuck in this gray area where if it's 9 o'clock at night, somebody's not afraid to text you, and it couldn't be more off-putting.
And there's certain things where there are certain emergencies that you need to know. I have to wire the money. I got to get it there.
Yeah.
Totally understandable.
Well, that's not happening on Christmas Eve
That's not
or
happening on
Christmas Day.
Christmas Eve.
No. This one had a question about his insurance policy and the coverage he had to have. The insurance company's not going to be until next week anyway. You know what I mean? But it's just, it had to be done that night for that job. So it's things like that for me.
Yeah.
It's just understanding those boundaries. But I agree with you. Maybe those are getting a little bit better.
Yeah.
We closed them on time. It was great. But no, thank you.
All right. What's next?
Let's do the next one.
All right. Now I'm going to start to
Because
get.
we're going to start to get to the hot stuff. And
Here we go.
So this is
49,000 Scoville units.
Rojo.
Yes.
Hot ones, Rojo.
Yes.
49,000
It smells hotter.
up from 36,000. So that's about a third, I think.
it smells hotter.
Yep.
Hot.
Gotcha. Yep.
Huh?
I hit your lips.
I don't taste anything. I'm good.
No,
It-
that one comes after.
It gets my. Yeah. Okay.
I'm having another bite.
I think out of all three of us, I'm the lightweight on this. And that one.
I'm definitely a spicy food fan, but when you start getting into hundreds of thousands of Scoville, I don't know about that.
I have nothing.
All right.
Let's go.
Yeah, my lips are a little tingly on that one.
Uh-oh. My wife is texting me. Stop eating those wings.
So you're okay?
Don't forget he has a surgery.
Yeah.
Yeah.
John
Yeah, I don't
has
know
a-
if you should have scheduled your procedure
It's a procedure.
the day after.
Well, Sean, I want to ask you a question on this one. In your tenure, what is your most unique client or situation that you might have had? Listing, selling, you've seen a lot. So what sticks out in your mind? If you had to go back of something.
Wow, this was so going back probably, I want to say 17, 18, 19 years ago. So it was a long time when I first got licensed. It was about 3 years into my career. I had a seller who sold their house. They were going through a divorce. Got the house under contract. Buyer showed up, did the inspection, home inspection with a home inspector. The next day after the inspection, the seller, the husband, shot himself in the basement.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we still went to closing.
Yeah.
But talk about weird stuff comes up. Like, do you disclose it?
Yeah. What do you?
Well, in Pennsylvania, interesting fact, in New Jersey, you would have to disclose it.
Yeah.
Right? Murder, suicide in New Jersey is a law. You have to disclose it. In Pennsylvania, there's no law.
Wow.
So we couldn't disclose it. And the interesting thing was, some years later, the agent that was on the other side, who I'm good friends with today, still an agent,
Yeah.
asked me about it. Hey, did the seller of that house on 123 Main Street kill himself in a basement? And I still couldn't disclose it.
Yeah.
Right?
my
Because
You don't have to, or you can't.
you don't have to. You don't have to.
But it
So
was your seller's prerogative not to.
it wasn't even the sellers. Like we have to discuss, as realtors, we have to disclose any pertinent defects or any defects to a home.
Yeah.
So in some states, they look at murders
Yeah.
or suicides as a defect. Even hauntings or entities, they look as a defect to the home. In Pennsylvania, they don't. So it wasn't even up to the seller. It was whether or not I disclose it as the realtor. So we had to, call our corporate attorneys, and they were like, absolutely not. You can't say anything.
Yeah.
And then I felt bad. I mean, for years, I felt bad with this other agent who I, play golf with and see pretty often. I couldn't tell them anything.
Jeez.
I guess they
That's
do
crazy.
now.
It was scary.
Well, they're watching the podcast.
I
Yeah.
guess they know
If
now.
they could figure it out, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Okay, that would probably take the cake. Yeah.
Yeah, it was very interesting.
All right, this is what I'm really looking forward to and not looking forward to. So
Okay.
I say we could. This
Got
is
the last
one-
two.
Yeah.
All right.
So we got to explain this one a little bit.
Okay, so this one.
So this one, it basically says it depends on the batch, right? So it starts at 66,000 Scovilles, and it could go up to 250,000.
Yeah. Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
All
So
right,
we gotta we're rolling the dice on this one. I'm not gonna lie, that last one got
Anybody
me a
want a
little
bite?
bit. We have the processors here and then the studio laughing at us.
Yeah, I mean we got whole bottles of sauces here.
I was definitely a lighter batch.
Oh God.
It doesn't even taste good. Oh, that's hot.
I mean, if you're going for taste, it's definitely like I would rate it a 1.
Yeah, it wasn't.
As far as heat, this is the first time I'm actually feeling snot coming down my mouth.
Oh my God. Oh my God. I don't like the flavor. Oh.
Come on, keep eating. What are you doing?
This is, it's definitely not good. It
I
tastes
feel like I
like,
have to finish the wing because they always do in the show.
it tastes.
Yeah. Gabby can.
Look at that out, right?
We can put in
A
a
bleep.
tasteful bleep. Oh man.
Matt, you okay?
No.
Do you need some ice cream?
You have water right there.
All right.
Oh, I dropped it.
You gotta ask the question.
What?
You gotta ask the question quick.
What's one unpopular
These
opinion?
guys are off their games. I'm still good, by the way.
I'll ask this too. What's
Yeah,
one
strong.
unpopular opinion that you have about how people buy and sell homes today?
You mean consumers?
It could be consumer. I mean, investor,
How they buy a home?
how they buy or sell a home.
I personally think that people rely too much on technology to value homes and to evaluate what it is that they're buying.
Sorry.
Oh, he's already got the ice cream cracked
Yeah.
open.
We have a milk, so I got ice cream. God, it's hot.
That's
I told you I'm gonna be the lightweight on this.
That was a hot one. The next one's gonna be double.
All right, go ahead. I'm sorry.
It actually wasn't that hot.
You see that you got a little sweat on your brow there.
I mean, yeah, I feel it, but it's not like I'm
Well, you haven't answered the question.
dying for water.
All right, go ahead.
People are relying too much on technology
Yeah.
and not getting a personal feel for things. They're, looking for AI for answers on how much something should rent for. Listen, I'm going to tell you this. Nothing is worth as much as it's listed for unless there's a willing and able buyer willing to pay that amount for it. So you can't rely on AI to determine a value of something for you. You have to feel it. You have to feel it. You have to rely on comps that see the inside of every single home, right? And not on a tool that has no idea what the inside of every home looks like.
Matt's just saying yes or no, but all he's thinking is hot, 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 hot.
I agree. I agree with everything you just said.
Can I have more napkins?
You ever see that? Oh yeah, never mind.
It's like
On Wedding Crashers, when they had the table, it's like, yeah, I agree. Hold your shirt and pants. Hold your shirt.
it's like
It's like,
touches
yep.
your lips, and that's where it's like tip of your tongue to lips. That one's pretty hot.
Okay, it's getting hotter actually right now.
It's very
I
hot.
told you it's gonna hit me first. All right,
hot.
wait. So this is gonna lead us into. The
I gotta wait. I'm sweating.
So to Sean's point, I'm gonna second that. And if you've not seen, there was a video we did with Bernadette Rabel. Great video on finding the perfect buyer for a perfect house. I can't even talk. Perfect buyer for a perfect house. My lips are swelling up. So watch it if you haven't seen it yet. It's a great video. But it's
Yeah, I
the
feel like
AI.
my lips look like I got stung by a bee. Like it just like feels like they're. All right.
I feel like my head got stung by a bee.
All right, last one. Where is it?
All right, so this is the last one. This is ghost pepper, guys. So the last one, the last one that we're all like complaining about, just went from 66 to 250,000, depending on its BTU or Scovilles
Or BTUs.
This one starts at 650,000 Scovilles.
It smells like petroleum.
So I mean, there's no better way to do it than just to do it, right?
You gotta do the whole wing.
You got to do the whole wing.
Oh God.
Oh, fuck no.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh.
Keep going. Come on. I got you. Oh, that's done.
Oh my God.
Oh, this was so bad.
I was gonna ask a question.
It just doesn't taste good.
I gotta finish.
I got the last question. Who in the world put you up to this?
You did.
Why did you agree to it? Ice cream.
Our hands are shaking.
Oh, how do you open this? Somebody open this.
I need spoons. Is there a question besides that?
I don't have any more questions.
Okay.
I need answers.
I asked the question. Why did I take
Oh
2
my
bites?
God.
This is terrible.
No, this is painful. I'm doing. Oh.
Can I drink? Can I drink the ranch?
You have a spoon. Well, ice cream. Yours has a spoon.
It's just a function after that.
All right. Well, this was fun.
Bro,
Somebody else asked a question that they want to know.
Are you late on the question?
Get my mind off of this.
No, but the next one I think you should do all the last one.
Oh.
6 really early on.
bro.
If you hear in the background, it's Jacqueline, our processing manager at
Well, so,
Liberty Loan Processing.
a little peek behind the curtain. I got as a white elephant gift this year the hot ones, hot sauces, and nobody wanted them, and nobody knew what they were. And yet here
They're
we
hot.
are. I think I'm the one who
You're
manifested.
crying. You're crying. Sean is crying. Okay.
It doesn't go away.
All right.
I feel like a dog eating a...
If you want it.
Yeah.
We all talked about your most difficult transactions.
Yes.
What was your best one? Your best customer?
Oh my God.
Oh, I got a great one.
Jody Ponsel, Waycross, Georgia. Not kidding. One of my first transactions. You're out there, Jody. The man. He, I saved him a ton of money on a refinance. I got to meet him in person. He flew up, did a commercial for the old company I work for. I can't even talk. And just the sweetest guy. Was super thankful. I'll never forget it. Whew.
Andy Young.
Oh,
Young.
Andy. I did. Yeah, I remember Andy.
Remember Andy? So, great story. He was listening with another broker. Day before closing, the other broker said, we can't close on your house, but good news is I'll buy your house at 20% less than
Nothing works.
market value.
It's terrible.
Somehow he got my number. I sold his house.
You guys need more water?
He moved. He called me back. A few months later, I need a different house. I found him in a house. I need a lot of work. And he's a Vietnam vet, Agent Orange, talks with a thing, a trade thing.
Can I have another paper?
Nobody's listening. And I found him a house, but it was horrible. But that's all he could afford. So I put together a huge crew. I said, no problem. Don't worry about it. Buy the house. We're going to fix it up for you. I put together a huge crew, including Matt Wieder. And we went in and we flipped the house for him. And he moved into a brand new house. And we did that out of the goodness in our heart. We're all chipped in. Great story, great guy. Maybe I'll tell that story another day.
No. I am I'm getting dizzy. Not gonna lie.
You need more water?
I might
It's
just
just like there's an
The ice cream helps.
afterburn, like pheromones or, or something that's getting released.
You need more water?
The ice cream helps.
All right. I'm gonna. Ooh. All right. That was fun. I'm gonna retire myself from the studio right now.
Oh, he's not feeling good.
No. So I'm getting a little dizzy and lightheaded. That was fun. I'm gonna suck it, Sean. I'm gonna go. I'm not gonna lie. This isn't any kind of like. I'll be back.
Wow.
Well, are we still rolling?
I feel like somebody should go follow him.
Sean,
Hey, that was fun.
this has been a lot of fun. It was fun up until the last one. I'm sure I'm gonna look back on this fondly
Why are you talking like you have something like stuck in your mouth?
because it's the spice. I don't know. I just feel like I'm gonna drool.
Are
at
you
any
having
moment.
like an allergic reaction?
No.
Are you sure?
I think it's just a normal reaction to that type of pepper.
I don't know. Do I sound like that?
No, but you look like it. Your
Do I
face
look-
is
do I
sweat.
look-
You look like me. Whew. I'm sure we'll look back on this fondly. I don't know that I will do this many times again. I'm sure I will, and I don't remember how bad this was, but I can't talk.
I would totally do this again for charity. Like if we had a live setting where we had Facebook Live and people were telling us that
Celery and ice cream.
we were going to raise $3,000 to eat this one, I would totally do that for charity. I would do it.
Well,
For fun like this, I would never do it again.
pay me $3,000 off. Well, this has been the Mortgage Celebrity Studio, Hot Ones edition. If you have any questions, want to join us on the next one, like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you next time. Out. So we should go check on Matt.
That is okay.
That's gone. He left all the stuff.
I'm going through phases right now where it's not okay and it's okay. I'm eating celery and ice cream. I've never felt so hot. I thought I was going to be able to handle it. I've never felt that type of pain.
Do you have surgical gloves? This is going to be painful. I want to open this one.
We all got to do it at the same time. I'm so like, my gut has been good lately. Do we need a plate or are you putting it on here?
On there.
Is one paper towel enough? A
Watch
whole
this.
roll.
Watch this.
I got 3 here.
I can smell this one already. This is the mild one.
Oh.
I wouldn't be surprised to add that time.
Oh.
That's the first one.
Oh. Oof. I mean, that honestly does not smell good.
How did I get
This one right here. Oh boy.
Sorry, I didn't pick up your call. I'll reach
So you're
out.
dropping off chocolate?
Wow, it smells.
All the,
Can we put ranch in like a drinkable form?
I'll be at home in the bathroom.
Okay, oh, that's gonna be
Bro.
great. I just cleaned the bathroom.
You ready?
Yeah.
I want to know, what is the Scoville of a jalapeno? Let me turn all the lights off. Just lay in the dark. I need to wash my hands.